or to be what you call that, stress or depressed being bored. That's your life. There is no wrong with that. If the gods give you that kind of life, then be blessed to accept. Ang mahal ng gas ngayon day ay. Wadyo ko kapalit og gas tinuod ba? How old are you? I'm 42. Mahal ng gas. Beautiful, you're brave, very kind, you're nice. Thank you. Pinuang ang may muha eh. Di ko mutuo. Tuo ra ko nanay sulod ng PayPal ni siyang. You are simple. Yeah, I can't afford to be social. Thank you. Oh, binutbot na yan. Niwala ka dyan. Ha! Gibinutbutan na niya. Where is your husband? He's working. But he will pick up me later because I am going also to the mountain. You can see me live there later. I'm gonna do live later when I am on the mountain. Hahaha, true. Anong true, day? Assalamualaikum, Simonya is at Portuguese team Biru support. Ang mahal ng gas. Ilang buwan na kami nagluluto dito kasi I'm trying to save money, guys. That's why we are cooking on the firewood. I'm using firewood because the kerosene is so expensive talaga. So instead of buying kerosene, I will just gonna go to the mountain and pick. There is a lot of wood that can use to cook. So I can save 1,000 plus every month. Ayan, of using firewood. Firewood. Ano ba yan? Firewood. Guys, I need to end na my live through basin ko na alam mo na. Oh, really? Thank you so much. Sino ngayon? I will give you a moderator, ha. Sino ang pangalan niya? Rimi. Thank you so much, Rimi, ha. I will give you a moderator. So I remember you. Guys, I need to go na, guys. I need to cook, to finish cooking. Do not leave. O sige, do not leave. Kasi I need to, to cook. And then, tara. I will clean my kettle. Ayan. We're going to do live again later. Okay, bye-bye. Going to make rice. I will gonna do live again later if I am on the mountain. Sige, day ba natin? Tanaghan, maninuon ni sila. Ala, don't do that. That's bad. Saan na ba yun? Maluto ko sa banana. Sige. Nanaghan, maninuon mo diya. Imbis mag-end na ko.